Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First of all, shout out to my sponsor, myself. I'll be dropping the Patreon link if you guys like my content or the way that I trade or the way that I forecast, all that good stuff. I will be dropping the Patreon link in my description and it pinned in the comments below. So let's get into the video. I wanted to do not really necessarily a really quick TA on GME, but more so what I think is going to happen this week with GameStop. I think like a week or two ago, I actually posted a TA on why I think GameStop can possibly run back to 150, 230 or so. And I think that we are definitely, and why I was saying that we're definitely in the lines of doing that now. As of this week, because we did close a bullish week, essentially a perfect entry for GameStop, I am 100% bullish on GameStop. I think that we might see $150 sometime this week because of that perfect entry, right? Every single time we've closed a perfect entry on GameStop, right? The last time that happened, we ran $80. Previous time after that, we ran $248. Keep in mind, I am overall bullish on GameStop because you have a gap at 290. But again, specifically for this week, I am 100% bullish right now. Specifically for GameStop hitting like the 150 level. Possibly tomorrow. I think if GameStop does do a pop and run to 150, possibly higher, I think it'll happen either tomorrow, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or sometime this week. But I think we're definitely within the next month. So within the next month, so this month of February, I think there's definitely a very high probability that GameStop is going to run to 150, possibly even higher. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bullish on GameStop to 150, possibly higher. I'm thinking it does that tomorrow or Wednesday, but more along the lines of this happening sometime along the month of February. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.